Hi, I'm Dr. Devyani Barve. I'm a plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in Mumbai. If you avoid side profile photos or hate your video calls because of your double chin or soft jawline, then this video is for you. Let's go through the main non-surgical and minimally invasive options to contour the double chin and the jawline. And let's understand when surgery may be your best bet. A double chin is not always about being overweight. It can be caused by genetics such as your family face structure, localized fat under the chin, which is submental fat, loose or weak skin and weak collagen because of aging, or a small jaw and chin because of bony structure. So the first step is always a proper assessment. Is this mainly fat, or is it skin, or is it bone, or is it a mixture of either of these? So the first non-surgical option is fat dissolving injections, which break down the fat cells. These are often used for small amounts of submental fat under the chin. The advantage is there are no incisions and no surgery involved. Can be done easily in the clinic and results in permanent removal of the treated fat cells. But it comes with some downsides. It needs multiple injections spaced weeks apart. There can be swelling, redness and tenderness in the area for a few days. And it works only for small fat pockets, not for full or saggy necks, as it can create an uneven look. I'm also cautious with injections in patients who might need surgery later, because repeated treatments can cause tissue changes which causes scarring and makes surgery more complicated. The second amazing option is radiofrequency assisted contouring like face tight or neck tight. Now here's what they do. We make a small puncture under local anesthesia and insert the probe under the skin to melt the fat. Controlled RF energy also tightens the skin and underlying tissues by shrinking what is called as the fibroseptal network. Now this is ideal when you have a double chin plus mild to moderate loose skin with it, soft, poorly defined jawline, early jowls, but not extreme sagging. This procedure has many advantages. The entry points are small, there are no long scars, can produce a mini neck lift type of effect with less downtime than surgery. It's often a one-time procedure and easily lasts for a few years. But the cons are that it's not a weight loss solution. It's not good for very heavy or extremely loose necks. We often combine this procedure with Morpheus 8 radiofrequency microneedling on top of the skin to further improve color and texture. The third option is a fully non-invasive option like radiofrequency or ultrasound devices which are available in the market. Now, skin tightening protocols need to be paired with skincare and lifestyle. These options can give mild tightening in selected patients. They are good for early aging or maintenance, but it's important to be realistic. They will not shrink a large double chin. They will not replace a properly minimally invasive treatment or surgery when there is a lot of fat or a lot of loose skin. There are some cases in which surgery downright wins. Even though today's topic is options without surgery, you may not be left with those if you have very loose hanging neck skin, strong platysmal bands, and a lot of excess tissue. In these cases, neck liposuction with or without a neck lift will give you the most powerful, predictable correction than injections or devices alone. Sometimes the best thing a surgeon can say is non-surgical options will not give you the result you're expecting. That honesty protects you from disappointment and wasted money and time. In my clinic, I look at your age, the amount and quantity of fat, the skin laxity, your jaw and chin bone structure, how much downtime can you realistically manage, and whether you're okay with gradual improvement or you want a one-time bigger change. For example, in a younger patient with small fat pockets and good skin, injection or RF-based contouring might be enough. But for a middle-aged patient with some fat and mild loose skin, face tight or neck tight with Morpheus 8 is ideal. But an older patient who has very loose neck with platysmal bands, non-surgical treatments will disappoint. Surgery is usually recommended. So can double chin and jawline be improved without surgery? Yes, absolutely. In the right candidate with the right procedure. But there is no magical cream or a single hack. You need a personalized plan based on your anatomy, not just based on what's trending on social media. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more real talk on cosmetic treatments.